evening, all my gods and goddesses. I just wanted to jump on this morning and encourage you guys to keep growing, keep manifesting, and don't stop. Stop letting people tell you what you can and can't do. Stop letting people tell you what you are incapable of doing. Life is like a garden. You have to plant a seed in your life and watch it grow. I've started a garden, and I showed you guys last week my garden, and I've added some things to it as well. I've added some more okra and squash. I've added eggplants. But it's just awesome to see the changes that I am making for myself, trying to grow, and watching my seeds that I have planted grow as well. Here is just a quick glimpse of how tall my plants have gotten within a week's time. And these are the tomatoes. They are really going crazy and sprouting and just growing. And like I said, life is like a seed. You plant that seed, and you have faith in that seed, and you have to have faith in yourself as well, that the things that you want out of life are gonna come to pass, and you'll begin to grow. You have to speak those things that you want into your life. And it's like I said, I keep going back to this seed. Plant you a seed and grow with that seed. You water, as you water that seed and nurture that seed, you water yourself and nurture yourself. And like I say, stop letting people tell you who you are, what you should look like, what you should do. You do you and what works for you. And I just want to continue to encourage you to keep growing. Keep growing. And like I say, plant your seed, grow with your seed, and you'll feel so much better. Just do you. At the end of the day, do you. And I'm wishing each and every one of you peace, love, blessings, wealth, and joy. Peace.